What's up, brothers? You know who it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew. Today we got some OEM tools in, so let's take a closer look. Stay tuned. I'd like to give a quick shout out to Coons Trucking, Clay and Shy Shy. They have both have separate channels, both have great content. If you haven't checked them out, you should go ahead and do so. I won this hat in their very first contest giveaway. Just great people. So the first item I got was this OEMTOOLS magnetic glove dispenser. You use this for tissues, gloves, whatever you have. We're constantly using gloves at work. It's mandated. So I thought this would be a great addition, especially because it's magnetic. It comes with a 90-day warranty for any flaws. So let's get in here and check it out. Oh, wow. Okay, so it's got magnets on the back side. It's got their branding, OEMTOOLS on it, both sides. Overall finish on it is actually, it looks good. And I don't know if the camera can pick this up, but it has a lot of overspray in it. It's got actual hair in a clear coat. This is kind of disturbing. So there's got hair down here in the clear coat. And the general finish on it is kind of lackluster. I mean, on the camera it probably looks really bright and green, but from on this side of the camera, there's overspray all through here. This black that's on here looks like they might have spray painted that first before they put the clear coat on, and they didn't mask it right. So there's a real black hue on either side of this. But aside from aesthetically, it looks like it's well built, and I'll probably be contacting them to see if I can get a replacement, because it does have a 90-day warranty on it. So this is definitely a manufacturer defect, all this overspray in it. It's going to live in this area right here. The magnets on it are real stout. They're also kind of padded, so they're not going to scratch anything up. You probably fit either like a 100 count or 250 count. I guess this is a 100 count, maybe a 200 count box in here. So the fitment is great and it matches my box real well, but the coating on it is really lackluster. There's a lot of looks like dirt in it and overspray, like I stated before. So I'm gonna have to contact them, but functionality wise, it's really great. Next up is this 12-piece organizer set from OEMTOOLS. Got this for $40 off from Amazon. So let's open it up and take a look. Alright, so in the box are drawer dividers. We've got some magnetic wrench organizers, a small plier holder, and a drawer organizer. These drawer dividers seem pretty nice. The only thing I don't like is their adhesive. And if you put this adhesive onto your rubber mats, it kind of leaves a mark. I don't foresee myself really using these for anything, but they're always good to have around. Last up is this great drawer organizer. It has many slots for different items. This will probably be going on the top of my box for the time being, and then I'll find a drawer that it will live in, probably for like air fittings and different little items, maybe O-rings, and it's just going to help me keep organized. And of course, it's green. Gotta love that. So here's my current plier drawer. We're going to use that new holder and see if we can organize it a little bit. As it goes for the pliers organizers, you see I have plenty of room to grow. And we were able to reduce that drawer down into a usable source with my hammers. Now I was able to reduce the drawer down to this and put my organizer here, my filter wrenches here. You can see how much room I have left. This isn't the final setup, but I wanted to try things out. So we're going to stick these in this drawer and get rid of all these red, I think these are Ernst. And we're going to replace them with the green ones so everything matches. I have different mats on order because the mats that came with this are extra thick, really good quality, but don't really work with my 1 1/4 wrenches. And here's my drawer with the new green OEM wrench rails, looking mighty good. I'm also going to be trying to figure out the whole mat situation. It looks like that I'm going to have to just cut out triangle sections for where the heads might hit and deal with that, or find thinner mats, because the mats that came with the box are actually really good, but they're quite thick. So I'm going to have to deal with that at some point. So the fit and finish of this product line right here is on par with the box trucks at $40. You know, you're going to be saving a ton of money, and I don't think you're going to get much better quality than this. As for the glove holder, I'm going to contact them and see if I can get that warranted, because obviously the finish on it isn't really up to par. Now, as a bargain hunter, you know that I shop on Amazon a ton, and I was asked by my uncle, who had a fight with cancer and is still fighting it now, that maybe I could mention this in one of my videos, and it's smile.amazon.com. And what they do is they give a small percentage to the Leukemia Fund to kind of help research out. I really appreciate you guys using that link, smile.amazon.com. You know, it's for a very good cause, and a small percentage goes to actually, you know, help fight this evil disease. So, on a lighter note, you know who it is. Eddie from 802 Diesel Crew, signing out. Have a great day, brothers.